Welcome back, USF community. We're here with one of our up-and-coming freshman leaders, Jose Rosario.
How you doing, USF? This is the one and only Jose Rosario, hottest freshman on campus right now. You know, summer step team captain. Holla back.
You already know. Hey, Jose, let me let you know. My brother Caesar and Spencer running for student body president. So how do you feel about that?
Talking about like heavy duty Caesar and Spencer?
Heavy duty Caesar and Spencer.
Bad. Well, that's self-explanatory. Heavy duty Caesar and Spencer. That's probably one of the that's a big force to be reckoned with, you know what I mean? If you don't vote for Caesar Spencer, you're whack. I'm gonna tell you like that. W-A-C-K, you're whack. Holla back, baby. That's how I feel about my man, Heavy Duties.
Thank you, Jose. And there you have it from one of up and coming freshman leader from FSI.
Matter of fact, I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna get another opinion from somebody. Matter of fact, let me see this.
Yo.
He'll call you right back.
My girl right there.
Pete, just relax. Listen. My friend, Caesar and Spencer, they're running for student body president.
Alright.
You know what I'm talking? Have you heard of them?
Not really, but I heard that Caesar's the only undergraduate CEO at USF. I mean, that's pretty big.
Self-explanatory.
Right there.
How do you feel? Like, matter of fact, talk to the camera, please. Let them know. Let USF how you know about Heavy Duties right now.
Alright, well, to be honest with you, I think that right now they're the best candidates on campus because they're both running things.
Matter of fact, call your girl back. Tell her to vote for Caesar and Spencer.
Alright.
And there you have it.
One vote, one student, one university.